Hello everybody, this is Race Bannon. If you've ever seen the cartoon series, what is it called? Johnny Quest. If you've ever seen Johnny Quest, then you'll know who Race Bannon is. And if you know who Race Bannon is, then you know that his girlfriend's name was Jade. And this is a jade plant. So I named it Race Bannon. But I just noticed, I'm gonna try to get it on the camera. Can you see? We have a little guest. There's a little ladybug on there. Hello, little ladybug. Every spring I get ladybugs in my house. Not a ton of them, just a few. And they're always just kind of fun. I don't mind them staying and hanging around. That one's awfully cute though. Okay, so jade plants are beautiful. This jade plant was actually from a cutting from a friend of mine's jade plant, and her plant was 30 years old. So these guys are doing fabulous, and I love my jade. It's so pretty. So I found a couple of jade plants to show you. I think they're so cute. So the first one I found on Ravelry, and it's the baby jade plant pattern by Nicole Mansfield. And these guys are just the cutest little things you'll ever see, ever. You're gonna love them. So they are available. The pattern actually is available for $3 US dollars. The skill level is listed as easy, and they're just cute as a button. I just love their little eyes and their little eyelashes and cute little cheeks. I just love them. They're so cute. There is some assembly involved, of course. There always is with amigurumi. And you are going to probably want some safety eyes for these guys. Safety eyes truly do make a huge difference in amigurumi, guys. I can't even tell you, if you've never done amigurumi, the safety eyes make a big difference in how cute it looks. It really ups the cute factor. Yeah, so check this out. Again, this is the baby jade plant by Nicole Mansfield. All right, let's take a look at my second pattern idea that I found. So this is Ellie the Whale, and it says it's an amigurumi whale pot and succulent. I think it looks like a jade plant. This looks just like a jade to me. But I love this. I love this little planter in the shape of the whale that is just as cute as the plant as far as I'm concerned. This is by Buddy Rumi, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it up to see if I can tell you anything else about this pattern. I did look at all these patterns, but there's so many of them, it's hard to remember all of the details. I do remember her saying that it was really important to her that it had that cute curved tail that goes up, and I can see why, because it's so cute. I love it so much. Gonna keep scrolling down here. Okay. All right, so yeah, here you click on the image. So when you get to this, you do have to click on the picture to go to the pattern. So I'll see if I can link it a little bit better to you, but it's not too hard to find. Super cute, super cute. Sorry, I got carried away looking at Ellie the Whale because she's just too adorable for words. Okay, everybody, I hope you're enjoying this series. Obviously, I'm enjoying it so much. I think so far it's my favorite series. I wish it was going to be longer than 15 days, but I don't know if you people can stand me in this state for longer than that. I just don't know if anybody could take it. All right, I'm going to go put Race back in the window so he can get plenty of sunlight. And until tomorrow, I hope you're having a wonderful, planty, crafty, crochet-y, yarny day. Bye-bye.